I'm Chloe Zeiner,
And I'm Jessica Gabriel.
and together we're called
Mind of a Snail
Puppet
Company. We're from Vancouver.
Yes. So our piece is called Shadow Forest, and what it is there's 6 different overhead projectors throughout the space that the public can play with, and we also have some.
Yeah, we have bins of materials and textures and colors they can try out on the overhead projectors hands-on. Yeah, it's based on some of the paintings of Emily Carr, so it's painterly, very colorful, and we just want people to interact and get down to it and make art in the moment together.
Yeah, and it's so fun to just watch all the different compositions that different people try to make.
And
like
they figure it out.
Yeah,
they figure it out because they remember the projectors from back when they were children, and they're trying to figure it out. So it's interesting. Adults and children are both kind of have this similar curiosity, and it's fun to see their different sizes of hands working on the projectors at once.
It's like an art piece that we made it, but we also get to watch it being made in the moment.
Yeah.
I'm Chloe.
And I'm Jessica.
Together we're
Mind of a Snail Puppet Company.
And
We're
we're
at
Your Continent Digital Carnival 2017.
Woo!